This is a 2016 Acura TLX. The maintenance for oil life indicator needs to be reset. I recently changed the oil. So this is how you do it when it tells you it's time to reset it and you want to get it back to 100%. So with your foot off the brake, you're going to press the start button twice. Your dashboard will light up. You're going to go over to the steering wheel to the roller ball. It also can press, but you're going to scroll until you get to vehicle settings. Press it. You're going to scroll up until you get to maintenance info. Press it. You're going to scroll again until you get to the reset light. You can see that. It says reset. And then you're going to press this. Okay, now it says your maintenance has been reset. So I'm going to shut the car off. Start it back up like normal. And I'm going to scroll through the vehicle settings, oil life 100%. You're all set.